Hi everyone, so here I'm showing you this beautiful burgundy colors classic flip bag from God Factory. Now God Factory is having this burgundy color lambskin in stock. Very special color, rarely seen in this business. Yeah, let's see the detail. First, when you are holding the strap, it has kind of a noise here. I think it is because it is lambskin woven inside the hardware. The noise comes from friction. So yeah, other details like the alignment, no problem, very well done. This side as well. So for the alignment, if you look at it from the front position, you may see they're not aligned very well. You have to check the alignment from the correct position, like here, this angle, they are all aligned. They are having the great puffy shape here. Back side, no alignment, problem as well. Very well done. The leather here, very obvious, beautiful leather texture. And the puffiness of the quills, very decent, very proper. Now the bag is opened. Also beautiful shape here, straight line. Correct screw here, beautiful engraving. Great quality for the stamp. Then the chap here, beautiful. If you need this color, contact me to get. Thank you for watching.